Hi, and welcome to the Smart Science Lab about how to measure in photosynthesis. You'll notice if you scroll up here to the top of the Explore page, there's a basic lab description, a little information about how the lab is done, a guideline as to how to measure, and then down below we've got that central question: how does the color of light affect photosynthesis in plants? So we shine different colored light on a sample. How is that photosynthesis going to work? Well, this particular lab is going to use a spectrophotometer. We've got a close-up of the sample here with the DPIP, the DPIP dye in it. And we've got the spectrophotometer meter, which is going to measure how much of the light is transmitted through in the blue spectrum. So as the blue sample down here with the dye, as photosynthesis occurs, the dye will bleach out, the sample will go from blue to green, more light will be transmitted through because the blue won't be blocking it as much, and we should see the movement of the meter. Let's take a look. So I'm going to press play. I've taken green light at 80 watts. You've got red, blue, and green lights at two different intensities. We'll press play and watch that video. You can see as the color is changing, the meter up here is moving, more light is being able to pass through as there's less blue as the dye is bleached out. Let's measure it now. You want to click right where this silver arc is, where the red meter pointer goes across. So I'm just going to click that, click it again, and just go through the process of measuring. So this is essentially just timing the photosynthesis every 60 seconds. We're going to measure how much light is transmitted due to that bleach dye being less blue, and the sample, the green of the ground up, I believe this is ground up spinach leaf, showing through. Once you're done with a full set of data, you can press the save button and just save it to your list right here. And we'd like you to do all 6 colors of light and compare them so you can find out how the color of light will affect the photosynthesis in plants. And essentially, as it bleaches out that dye, you're going to see either a faster or slower movement of this meter depending on the rate of photosynthesis.